How you all doing? Welcome back to the Herbie Design Co workshop. I want to run you through today how I build my resin molds. So there's a million different ways out there. You've probably been all over YouTube. You've found all the hundreds of different ways. This is just my way, what works for me, what I've found in the research I've done and in the practice that I've had. So I've got this red gum slab here, a few big checkouts on the end here you can see, and a live edge on one side. This is for a hall table build, so that'll be in a separate video. Keep an eye out for that one. But we need to build a mold specifically for this slab. So let's get into it. I'll show you how I build my mold and we'll see what it comes out at the end. So there it is. That's my mold done. It's got tape through the bottom of it to help it not stick, help the resin not stick to it as much. And then I've gone through with some wet silicone and for a wet area, bathroom silicone, and it's all sealed up nicely. This will sit for 24 hours while I wait for my resin to arrive, but it'll sit for 24 hours to allow the silicone to cure as well. That way I know it's going to be absolutely watertight. When I pour this resin in, it's not going to flow anywhere, it's not going to leak. It's the best way to make a custom size mold especially, but I use it for all my molds. But if you're doing a lot of stuff in the same size, hit up Nathan at Hemaroo. He's got some really cool no seal HDPE molds, which is a really awesome product for doing resin. And you just tip it upside down, tap it, and your board falls out. I'm going to move forward with this. I'll crack on with this hall table build, but hopefully that gives you an idea on how I build my molds and a way you can build yours. Till next time, stay safe, keep making.